Huh? Say happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday, right?
I think we got
some brass in there. Yeah. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So that's nice. I like that. Look at the bird. There you go. That bird is sweet.
Yeah?
That bird is sweet.
Oh, yeah. Silver?
No, I think that's aluminum. It would say, not for $23.
Huh?
Not for $23. It wouldn't be silver. Brass. Alright, copper. Not your biggest load.
Huh?
Not your biggest load.
Yeah, I know.
$75.
Oh, okay, come here. I got it, don't worry.
There it is. No, 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 no. Over there. No, over here. Over here. Some people. They can't hit that pole. Yeah.
That one?
The one on top. The one on top. No, no. No, no, just that one. Look down there.
You want water? You want water?
No. All right, $14.50. We've gotten this one this week. Might get one cycle in, maybe two. Nope, that's it. Well, we got one cycle in because the door is sucking the block back. And then you'll see the door will automatically open. I can hear it going back. Spile's getting smaller. Yeah, see, there goes the door. We just caught it on this last chop. That sucks. Transformer that you might like.
Where at?
What?
Where? I have never seen nothing like that.
No?
Huh.
Let's do this first.
That's weird.
And you can think about it.
Yeah, because that was weird. I've never seen anything close to that.
You're here early.
Yeah, well, I figured since I haven't been to sleep yet,
Since I ain't been to sleep yet.
I'll just come here. It's better than go trying to catch it, get here at the last second.
At 4 o'clock, yep. Those are light. But they're lights. There's light. Yeah, light.
The crutchy or the...
What about the saw?
What's all? I don't know. You want to plug it in, see if it works? It looks good.
What brand is it? Hitachi.
You know, people, they throw away everything that works.
People do. It's amazing. These brushes are bad. Huh?
Yes.
I don't know. I think the brushes are bad.
Why?
Do it. It's plugged in. I think the brushes are bad, you know.
Yeah. Wait till the blade stops setting before we move it.
Why?
Well,
What?
accidents happen. That'd be the worst thing to do is go to move it and put your hand right where that blade is moving. It works? Yes and no. It works
No, it
enough
does.
with the shaking.
Yeah. That would be, yeah. It's a good cord.
Yeah, I'm just going to pour it off if I can. See Matt yet today?
Who?
Or Nacho, Matt?
No. No, he don't come in this early.
Not early. This is my bedtime.
My bedtime.
Come on.
Why not just undo it?
Because then that's too easy.
I know. Work smarter, not harder.
Fight with it all day.
I bet. I see this. Yep. Holy crapola. That is heavy. That's a cool edger or a rototiller, right?
Yeah. Clean.
Do you save these?
No, go for it. You're doing light now, right?
Yeah. Should have been heavy on that. I can't reach that radiator. Viper alarm system. That used to be the big rage back in the day. The Viper alarm, I remember that. Okay. All the light. And he's going to be a minute, so I'm not going to sit here and wait. He's at $179 though, but. Well, Jacob did not come prepared, did he? So Jacob did not come prepared.
I am fully prepared.
Fully prepared. Oh yeah.
Yeah, you see everything is all ready for us to take apart.
Yeah. And there's all of those. All right. Okay, throw them. All right, 190. Clean them up. Probably have to go deal with that guy so he doesn't wait. It's pretty full. Nice piece of stainless right there. My stainless bin is right by that guy's truck, so. I'll take care of all this stuff. Hi, Lucas! We'll fill him up, then go deal with that guy. But then I got to come back and put all this stuff in the bins right there. Time to clean that up. least get this right here. So he has a little more room. And then this will help load the trailer too. That didn't work out so well, did it? Let's give him a little bit more room. Is that clean or dirty? Let's fill him up so we can help that guy out. This right here should keep him going good for a while. Cut the blocks off, okay?
Block?
Yeah. There you go. Hey. These cables?
Yes.
Okay, those are different. Make sure that one's on zero. Elijah.
Block too, right?
Yeah. Those are like 50 bucks. Those plugs.
You don't need them, man.
If you have to go to Home Depot or Lowe's to buy these, they're 50 bucks.
I know.
You should save it.
I have so much stuff, man.
You have so much stuff.
We just cleaning up
You,
get from the church.
from the church, yep.
Yeah. And I have so much. I don't know if you remember when they used to do the carnival on Alapaya at that church.
No.
All these tables belong to that. They don't do it no more. That's
Brass.
right.
Bronze, right?
Yeah.
What about this?
You want it?
Yeah, we take it here.
It still works.
Yeah, somebody will get it.
Yeah.
Someone will buy it here.
I put it here thinking that I can do something with it. But at the end of the game, bro, I don't think so.
For a bike.
Yeah, it's a bicycle model.
Yeah. Somebody will buy that. Someone will buy that.
But I need to take anything.
No. Oh, I already have wire in there. I gotta take that off of there.
You don't need this like that?
You gotta cut the... That goes in there, in that one.
That one?
Yeah. All right. Right here, 89. 89. What? What's the strongest type of rum that you could buy?
The stronger one?
Rum.
Rum?
Yes. The proof.
Well, I tried one. It was 350 proof. Coming from Jamaica.
Okay, now, well, how about here?
Here, I don't know. Well, they sell it here.
It's Bacardi.
Well, the most popular is Bacardi.
Yeah, what's the proof?
1 is 51.
And that's how much that was.
That one?
Yeah, about 151. This. That. Plus 9. Right there? Yeah, that's fine. Yep. And that's it, right? $223.
How much?
$223.
Oh, wow.
223.
No, I thought that was like...
How hard is to pull all that out of that?
Not hard at all.
Not hard at all. Hold on. Oh, hold on. Don't toss it in yet.
Don't toss it in?
No. All right. That will fit. That's 55. Yeah. There we go.
I asked Dad or
52. That was good for $135. I gotta get this off of here though.
That's a mess.
I gotta get. What's this?
Probably not gonna want that either.
Just the wire. Oh, zip tie.
Dirty aluminum too. Just a couple of little things.
Motors go in that one, sir. We got 1, 2, 3.5. 3.5.
You already got the scale through?
Yep, yep. Yeah. £28 of wire and 34 of electric motors. That's what I'm doing. 4, and we got a little bit of dirty aluminum. It's on 28. £6 of flat irony. $148 altogether for everything. You're gonna get a check though.
Check?
You're gonna get a check for about $8 for after 2 batteries. We gotta pay by check. It's a county law. There's nothing we can do about that.
All right.
And that's it. Just go up front and see the lady. Gotta love the magnet. Like a homemade prison shank. Somebody, I found this out there. Look at it. It's like a prison shank somebody made. I know. Okay. Prison shank. Wire. Yep. What about that?
Oh my God.
Crutches weigh 2 pounds apiece. $172.
I'd have put like cushions.
Yeah, the cushions in there. Yeah, it hurts. Yeah.
I was honest enough to do it. I was tired of it. You gave me a drive.
Moving up in the world. That's what you need.
What?
Truck. Nah.
Give me a Honda.
A Honda, he said. I need me a Honda. Oh my god. You're moving up in the world, sir.
Yeah, no kidding. Quite the truck. What are you paying on copper?
$2.95. I know he's
You
paying.
went down again.
No. Oh, he's at 3. So,
$2.95 and 3.
yeah.
I'm good. Don't want to make an extra stop. I got more copper.
Yep. Anybody know what that is? It's all right. Yep.
Does that got anything?
Yeah. That's copper in there. These are copper.
Oh.
They should pop out somehow, some way. Do you have a screwdriver?
Really?
Yeah, they should. I mean, if you put a hammer in it, it'll come out, you know. It sucks that he doesn't have all his tools, right?
Drives me nuts.
They should. Yep. And then you just peel off the insulation for copper. That's it. And these should pop out. These will pop out, and then you just take
Peel
your
that off?
yep, and then it's copper.
Razor blade?
Yep, yep. Are you saving these?
Yeah.
Okay.
Everything's in the buckets or up front.
Oh, nice. Motors. That's a heavy little guy, huh?
That's the one out of that.
Yeah. Yep. You don't smoke in there, right? You don't smoke in there? Yeah?
My truck, that's what I want.
It's like it's my truck. So you cleaned off your trailer all weekend. You were going through it, huh?
Yeah, going through and stuff.
Yeah. That's all the motors, right?
Yeah.
Brass. Yep.
That's all.
Yep. Hold on, 99. What's that? I put it down there where the I'll be right there. Clean? Dirty? Light irony? What is it? I can't hear you over that.
I said most of it's off the ceiling fan.
Yep, moving. Yep, clean. That's almost it, huh? I think that's it. Look at all that. Take that home and take the brass off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 volts.
I want
Or
to do,
maybe
I wanna
6 volts.
do that.
Why?
Just like that.
You don't want to make more money? Because I'm not buying it for brass, so that's what. Like I said, you take that home and you take these off.
I got two. No, I'll bring them back. I got two I got 4.
I don't think the machine's out there. Dirty, clean. I really don't want to. Heavy. These are light. That, I think that's it. You gotta tell them we are not allowed to buy catalytic converters without a title to a vehicle. He's not gonna like that, but that's the law. But I want to make that doll, that action.
Someone could make so much money if they. There's got to be a way to 3D print someone.
Yeah.
I had one made for my sister when I worked in Mexico.
Okay.
They would mold them out of clay. You just brought them in a picture. Same thing as that. Like you told them what you wanted to look like. They have like a little claymation character in you, or whatever you drop off.
Those are going next door?
You can take whatever you'll take, I'll take.
This is what I want. Yep. 71. Hey, you want some Jeep rims?
Just for take them? Sure, I'll take them.
They are stock rims, so nobody wants stock rims.
I love stock rims. Are they steel?
No, they're aluminum.
All right, I'll take them.
And put them on your Explorer?
I'll put them in my trailer maybe.
Hey, you crossed the triple digits.
Sweet. Sweet.
Let's see. Yep. Yep, it's the blue one way down there.
Right behind all them trucks. Right behind all the trailers right there, yeah.
When a kid burned down his house, his father watched, put an arm around his wife and said, "That's our son. That's arson. It's arson."
Oh my gosh. Why did the chicken get in trouble at school?
Why?
For using foul language.
What did the cow say to the leather chair?
The cow say to the leather chair?
Yep.
Sorry, honey.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom. Where did the bull take the cow on a date?
Golden Corral. That's a good answer.
Good answer. But they went to dinner and a
movie. Good moms let you lick the beaters when they're making the cake. Great moms turn them off first.
Yes, I was gonna say the same thing. Moms that love you actually turn them off first. What is the sleepiest dinosaur?
What? Sleepiosaurus?
A brontosaurus. Brontosaurus.
Brontosaurus, no.
Womp womp.
Well, look, see if we can take a bale out. I'm gonna have to put all that in the baler. Someone told me that my old employee Glenn might be coming back. He's up, I think around Youngstown, Ohio, somewhere around there. If we could get him back here, between him and Tyler, they would have that pile gone in like a month. He's almost got a bale right here. But you always have to do this. For new subscribers, you gotta check each bale for screws, rubber, anything that they will downgrade it. Bueno? Grab some of this. We're getting a lot of it. I'm gonna grab that for him. So I just want to make a little bit more room, so he's got just a tiny bit more room. No more. No más. No más.